One of the first questions I had when I first started investing was, should I buy individual stocks or should I just buy ETFs? And looking back now, I think I wasted too much time trying to answer that question. I watched YouTube, I listened to opinions, and I looked for how to get rich by next week. The truth is, I wasn't building a portfolio. I was looking for excitement. Everything changed though when I stopped asking, what's the next stock that's going to double by next week? And I started asking, how do I build something I can stick to for the next 20 years? That's the key. That's when investing finally started making sense to me. And instead of me telling you what I think, let me show you exactly what I built. Let's check it out. Now that we can see my portfolio, I'll show you my 5 ETFs that keep me consistent. It may look different for you. You may want 2 ETFs, 4, 3, whatever it is that keeps you consistent month after month is what you pick. And you don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Just worry about what you're doing right now. I'll show you my first one is DGRO. It's a dividend growth ETF, and I keep that at 17% of my portfolio. Next is SCHD, which is another dividend growth fund. I keep this at 40% of my portfolio. Next, we have SCHG, which is a large cap growth ETF, and I keep this at 11%. Then I have SCHX, which is a large cap ETF. It's basically identical to VU. And I keep this at 16.4% of my portfolio. And my last ETF is VXUS, which is international, and I keep this at 15% of my portfolio. This is what works for me. This is my dividend growth portfolio. Now let's close this thing down and put everything together. And from that simple portfolio, the biggest lessons I've learned is this: picking the right stocks do not determine your future. Building the right system does. Once you have a foundation, investing becomes a lot less stressful. You stop worrying about the news headlines. You stop chasing the hype. You stop trying to predict what you think is going to happen next. You just keep investing week after week, month after month, and year after year. And that's how wealth actually gets built. And the reason I document my race to 250K every single week is not because I've reached the finish line by any means. It's because I'm still building it in real time. And if sharing my real numbers, real portfolio, and real decisions helps one person avoid years of chasing hype stocks and fake promises, then documenting this journey is worth it to me. You don't need the perfect stock. You need a foundation that you'll still believe in 10 years from now.